Good evening, students. From today onwards, we're going to solve chapter 5 geometry. So, in this video, we will see only the introduction part. The next class, we will solve the exercise sums. Now, what is geometry? So, it is a Greek word geo. Geo. Geo means earth. Metry means measure. Okay, so geo, earth, and measuring the earth. That is the meaning for geometry. In mathematics, we have two types of geometry. One is practical geometry, another one is theoretical geometry. So, practical geometry means we had used in the previous terms. So, by using compass, by using geometry box, we are drawing the geometrical figure. Okay, that is practical geometry. Here in this theoretical geometry, we are going to solve the same by using the properties. Okay, so using properties and also some formulas, theorems. Understand? So, what are the learning objectives here? To recall the similar and congruence properties and also the basic properties of triangle. Okay, so basic properties of triangle and also congruent properties. To understand the theorems based on these properties and apply them appropriately to problems. So, how to apply the theorems in the problems? Okay, so theorem means they have written, they have find the standard procedure to solve the sums. Okay, so to understand the Pythagoras theorem and solve problems using it. So Pythagorean theorem, it's very important theorem in mathematics. Okay, by using this Pythagoras theorem, they have found many, they have solved many things in our real life. Okay, so the that's we will see in the next introduction part. So, to know and understand the concurrency of medians, altitudes, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector in a triangle, then to construct quadrilaterals of various types. So, these are construction. Okay, so here we are going to recall the properties of a triangle, the Pythagorean theorem, and also the median, altitude, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, then quadrilateral. Okay, so listen carefully. Last video I have told you to read the 5th chapter, the introduction part. So it will be easy for you. So listen. Introduction. Geometry, as we all know, studies shapes by looking at the properties and relations of points, circle, triangles of two dimensional solids. Okay, so in geometry we have studied about what? Shapes. In simple way, we can tell as the study of shapes and properties, relations of points, circle, triangle, then two dimensional solid. So these are the shapes we will learn in the geometry. So in the early classes we have seen a few properties of triangle. So what is triangle? So triangle having how many sides, how many vertices, how many angles. So these are the basic things you have learned in the previous year. So here we are going to learn little brief. So mathematics alive, geometry in real life. So here they have mentioned the ship and the lighthouse. The Pythagoras theorem is useful in finding the distance and the heights of objects. So why we are using Pythagoras theorem? It is useful to find the distance and the height of the object. So from the ship they will see the seashore by using this Pythagoras theorem. By seeing this, they can calculate roughly the distance and also the height by using this theorem. And also for better strength and stability, congruent triangle in the construction of buildings. So construction of buildings also will use this triangle. Understand? So answer the following question by recalling the properties of triangle. So these are the simple question which you learned in the previous classes. For example, I will read the first question. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is what? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If triangle means the sum of the angle, if we add all the three angles, it should come what? 180 degree. Understand? So like that you need to answer for this 5 question. Okay. congruent and similar shapes. So what is congruent? Congruent figures are exactly the same in shape and size. Understand? So congruent, in which part we will say congruent means they should be exactly the same in shape and also the size. In other words, shapes are congruent if one fits exactly over the other. Understand? So if one fits exactly to the other means that is congruent. The example is given, the butterflies, the feathers of the butterfly. The similar figures mathematically have the same shape but different size. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar. Okay, so they are looking similar if the measures are one to the corresponding measures of the other in the constant ratio. Okay, this symbol is mentioned the similar. In other words, every part of a photographic enlargement is similar to the corresponding part of the original. Okay, so when we take the uh, photography photography enlargement means the same figure but size will be differ. So here congruent triangle. So consider two given triangle PQR. So here PQR is given, ABC triangle is given. They are said to be congruent if their corresponding parts are congruent. Understand? So this is called what? This three line is congruent if their corresponding parts are congruent. That is PQ. So here PQ is equal to AB. So here they have mentioned the single bar, single line. That is the both lines are equal. So like that PR is equal to AC. Here double line is mentioned. Now QR is equal to CBC. Understand? So these are the congruent of a triangle. And also angle P is equal to angle A. So P is A, Q is equal to B, R is equal to C. This is denoted as triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. So both the triangles are similar. Understand? So there are four ways by which one can prove that two triangles are congruent. So we have four ways to say two triangles are congruent. So what are the ways? So I'll explain fastly. So keep on listening. Okay, so first one is triple S, that means side congruence. All the three sides should be equal for both the triangle. If it's equal means that is called that triangles are congruent by side. So here if you see if the three sides of a triangle are congruent to the three sides of another triangle, then the triangle are congruent. That is, so AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC is equal to PR. Understand? So the triangles are congruent. So next property is side angle side. Okay, so side angle side. If two sides and include angle, the angle between them, the triangle are congruent to two sides and they include angle, another triangle also be congruent. So here AC is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, then AB is equal to PR. So here they have mentioned a single bar is given. So this mentioned both the lines are equal. This double line is mentioned, both the lines are equal. So third line they did not mention anything. So we don't know whether third line is equal or what. So for that we are using what? This angle. So they have given these two lines are equal, the angle is given. These two lines are equal, the angle is given. So angle, both the angles are equal means the triangle also be similar triangle congruence. Understand? So side angle side property. Then angle side angle congruence. So angle side angle. So here only AC and RP is equal. Okay, they mentioned by using this line. So AC and RP or PR is equal. So and also they have mentioned the angle. So this C is equal to P, A is equal to R. So both two angles and one line is equal means that triangle is congruent. Understand? So first one is side, then side angle side, here angle side angle. Now RHS, right angle hypotenuse side congruence. So RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. Okay, so here if the hypotenuse and the leg of one right angle are congruent to the hypotenuse and leg of another right angle, then the triangle are congruent. So see here, BC is equal, QR is equal, AC here PR. This line is called hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse are equal and also any one of the side, that is BC or BA is equal, means that triangle will be congruent. Understand? So right angle, hypotenuse, side. These are the four properties. Now you can see the example sum. Okay, the first sum we'll see. Find the unknowns in the following figure. So here they have given, we're going to find the unknowns. Understand? Now from figure 5.7, 140 degree plus z equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this part is 180 degree. So 140 plus z. So this line is what? Straight angle having 180 degree. So 140 plus z is 180 degree. Then 180 minus 140 equal to 40 degree. Z is equal to what? 40 degree. So 140 plus 40 is 180 degree. Now x plus z equal to 70 plus z. Okay, so x z is given, we have found 40. So 40 x plus y equal to 180 degree. Understand? So they have mentioned x plus z is equal to 70 plus z. So exterior angle property. So we have some properties. So by seeing that property, we will solve the sum. Then it will be easy for you. So you go through what is exterior angle, angle sum property, then angles opposite to equal sides are equal, then vertical opposite angle. So these are the important words we are going to use in the sums. So you go through this, and also the proof, these theorems are given. So this introduction part is very important. You go through the upcoming videos, we'll see brief about the introduction and also the Pythagoras theorem and the properties of a triangle. So do the sums. We go through, these are the simple sums, the fill in the blank, and also the first, second and third sums. You go through, you solve, try to solve. If not, in next video, tomorrow's video, I will explain briefly. Thank you, students. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.